Hi students, welcome all to BYJU'S exam prep, and you know this is the exam season going on. Yes, several recruitment examinations, big recruitment examinations are very close now. Okay, so NIELIT examination 12th to 14th of December, and we are standing on 10th of December. Major ISRO examination 17th of December. Okay, BEL examination on 17th of December. Okay, they have clashed, but hopefully still we expect some changes because the ISRO admit cards not yet released. Okay, as of 9th of December, what we know, not released. Okay, so we can expect some changes there. We are being positive. Maybe ISRO is not releasing admit card. Maybe just some examination date. Maybe post. Let's be positive. Okay, and HPCL examination on 23rd. So yes, guys. So several examinations. Okay, in the very recent time, and every examination has the element of aptitude. Okay, of course, GATE and ESE helps. If you're a GATE and ESE aspirant, then also the session will be helpful. Okay, so but for the examinations like ISRO, BEL, HPCL, NIELIT, these are all coming up. Okay, the last lap general aptitude rapid fire questions. Okay, we are going to take up in this session some important and expected questions. Okay, and you can test your preparation at the end. Yes, how much accuracy you are maintaining at the end. Okay, the questions. Let's get started quickly one by one. Okay, there's a regular introduction forward. Okay, let's move forward. So I'll share you the complete PDF in the Telegram group. I'll talk more about the Telegram. But yeah, the big time update, as you all know, that UPSC Engineering Services results were announced, and BYJU'S exam prep users have outshined it really. Okay, with 5 students under rank 10, 29 under rank 50, 37 under rank 100, AIR 9, AIR 1. Okay, so you know, using these BYJU'S exam prep products, okay, students have done fantastically in the engineering services examination. Now starting, we'll have a mixture of good questions, okay, nominal questions, average questions, easy questions, everything. Okay, so let's get started, and it will be a mixture of quant, reasoning, special aptitude, DI, everything. Okay, so here it is, guys. Mohan credits 15% of salary to his bank and spends 30% of remaining. So it is on successive percentages. Okay, okay, so spends 30% of the remaining amount on the household articles. Now cash on hand left is 2380. Okay, what is the salary? Or let's say the salary is S. Okay, let's say the salary is S. Okay, so out of the salary S, he will deposit how much to the bank? 15% deposit karenge. So how much is left? 85%. And what is 85%? 0.85, definitely. Then 30% of remaining. This is what is remaining. Okay, out of this, okay, 30% he will be spending, okay, to the household articles. So how much is left? 70% is left. 70% is 0.7 of the previous figure. Okay, and this should be equal to 2380. So now a simple calculation will be in front of you. Okay, 0.7 into 0.85 times S, this should be 2380. What is the salary of the Mohan? Okay, will be rupees. A quicker calculation, guys. Let's do it up. You also keep maintaining, and that is 4,000. That is 4,000. So guys, here it is, 4,000. So remember, okay, of course, this is like a rapid fire question session. So, you know, with questions immediately, I will keep discussing the answers. But if you feel that looking into the question you can solve, as always, I keep suggesting you, what is the point to be noted is, if you feel this, yes, this is solvable, so you can pause the video, you can mute the video, solve it up quickly, and then match your answers. If it is matches, okay, well and good. If it doesn't match, you can look into the solution. Okay, so you also be active. Okay, so when I have given the question, okay, just mute it up for a moment. Pause bhi mat karo, mute it, chalte rehne do. Okay, and you keep solving on your own. Next question, guys, ready for you. Jishnu and Poonam have a collection of less than 90 coins together. Okay, if Poonam gives Jishnu a certain number of coins, then Jishnu will have 4 times as many coins as Poonam. Okay, now let us say the coins with Jishnu is J, the coins with Poonam is P. Simple language use karte hai, and the total collection is less than 90. Okay, exact nahi given hai, but that is less than 90. Okay, now if Poonam gives Jishnu a certain number of coins, okay, how much certain number of coins? Suppose N. Okay, suppose that certain number is N. So if Poonam gives Jishnu a certain number of coins, so Poonam will be left with P minus N, and Jishnu will get J plus N. Then the Jishnu will have 4 times as many as Poonam has. Okay, so this value should be 4 times. Instead, if Jishnu gives the same number of coins to Poonam, if Jishnu gives, so Jishnu will be N less to Poonam, then Jishnu will have 3 times as Poonam has. So Poonam ke paas P plus N ho jayega. Okay, what is the number of coins which they have both together? Okay, the number of coins which both of them together. That means question is J plus P only. Okay, and also J plus P less than 90. So we have to manipulate and solve it up. No need, yeah, we just have to manipulate and get the value of J plus P from here. First of all, if I subtract, J will be cancelled. Okay, so if I just subtract, okay, if I subtract these two, okay, J will be cancelled, n minus minus n 2n, 4p minus 3p, इसको चलो पूरा ही लिख लेते हैं. So what is this? This is 4p minus 4n, and right side this is 3p plus 3n. So when you subtract, 4p minus p will be p, 4n minus 3n is minus 7n. So hence you have p in terms of n. How much is p? 9n. Okay, if p is there in terms of n, okay, so what will be j, dear? Okay, वापस equation number 1 को pick कर लेंगे. तो j plus n is equal to 4p and p is 9n minus 4n. So 36 minus 4, 32, and then minus 1, so j is 31n. Okay, so p and j are now in front of you. Okay, p and j are now in front of you. Okay, so now I can say that what is j plus p? Okay, one of them is 9, one of them is 31, so total 40n. Okay, where n can be any certain number of kinds, na? So what is the possibility? It could be 40, it could be 80, it could be 120, but ये नहीं हो सकता. It could be either 40 or 80. Okay, and there is only one answer matching. That is 80. Correct answer is 80. It cannot be more than 90. तो ये तो discard कर ही दीजिए. Out of 40, 80, only option seen is 80. So we can just go with that. Okay. Option number B. Option number D, that is the 80. ठीक है, simple one. So this was just arranging some equation. Okay, and these equations are like expected in aptitude. And what is next? Work, time and work. Okay, especially with the tanks or pipes or cisterns. Okay, a tank can be filled by tap A in 30 minutes and by tap B in 25 minutes. Both the taps are kept open for the first 6 minutes and the tap A is turned off. Okay, so both are kept open for the first 6 minutes only. Okay, so what is the efficiency? Here, see, in general, what is the efficiency? In the time and work question, efficiency is very important, and efficiency is always known as the work done in 1 unit of time. Okay, work done in 1 unit of time. What is the unit here? Minute. Okay, so work done in 1 minute. Work done in 1 minute. Okay, so what is the efficiency of the tap A? What is the efficiency of tap A? Tap A total can fill the tank in 30 minutes. So in 1 minute, 1 by 30th. Okay, what about B? B takes total 25 minutes. So 1 minute mein 25 minutes. Okay, now both are open for first 6 minutes. So what is the story of the 6 minutes? Both are open. Okay, every minute A will fill 1 by 30. Every minute B will also fill 1 by 25. Both are kept open together. So in 1 minute, both will be adding. Okay, this is the tap. This is the tank filled by both in 1 minute. So they are together on for 6 minutes. So within 6 minutes, how much it is filled? Okay, within 6 minutes, so 30 and 25, LCM would be 150, correct? This is then 5 times, and then this is 6 times, and then into 6. Okay, so ये हो गया 11 divided by 6 by 50, 25, 11 by 25. This is the work done in 6 minutes. Okay, this is the work done in 6 minutes. Okay, so how much is the work left? 1 minus 11 by 25, that is 14 by 25. 11 by 25 to filled hai na, so how much is left? Okay, it is 14 by 25. Now this is to be filled only by B. In how many minutes more will the tank be completely filled? Because tap A is turned off. Okay, right, tap A is turned off. To be filled by B only. Okay, to be filled by B only. And B, ठीक है, 1 minute में efficiency already बात किया B का. 1 minute में 1 by 25. I want 14 by 25. So of course 14 minutes. Okay, answer is 14 minutes. In 1 minute 1 by 25. So you want 14 by 25 work to be done. So 14 minutes will be taken by tab B. Okay, so in how many more minutes? 14 more minutes. Okay, 14 more minutes. If they ask how much total time taken from the beginning, okay, so then it will be 20. यहाँ पे बोला है how many more minutes. Very big, be very clear. Okay, one word can change the answer. Suppose if the question was in how many minutes is the tank filled, then answer will be 20. In total, how many minutes? So initial 6 minutes, then the additional work done by B. Okay, so be clear the language. Right now it is B only. Next question, dear. A group of men decided to do a job. Again, time and work, important topic. They decided to do a job in 8 days. But since then, 10 men dropped out every day. Every day, 10 men were reducing. Okay. Then the job got completed at the end of 12th day. How many men were there at the beginning? Okay, what is the concept to be used here? You can use here the concept of work is equal to men into days. hours तो given ही नहीं है. Just use the concept. Work is equal to men into days. Okay. So देखो. First equation, the proposed work, okay, the proposed work to be done in 8 days, and suppose the group of men contains n men. Okay, suppose there are n men initially. Okay, so men into days, n men, and if they were all present every day, so total work should be done in 8 days. This was decided. The work is equivalent to this. This is the decided work. Now same work has to be done. It is taking more time because every day labor is dropping. Okay, so time will be more. So according to the second scenario, the same work is done, but okay, 10 men dropped out every day. So initially n. So n for the first day. Then next day, only n minus 10 will be working for the one day. Because every day it is dropping. Now, so I have to write down men into days every one day calculation. First day n. Okay, then n minus 10. Next, n minus 20 into 1. Okay, etc, 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 etc. This will go up to the 12th day. Work will go up to the 12th day. Okay, so first day no subtraction, second day में 10, third day में 20. So 11th day में how much you will subtract? Sorry, 12th day में 110. Okay, so this work is equal to n. These are 12 times 12n, and then minus 10 plus 20 plus 30 up to 110. Summation 1 to 11 if you apply, that is 66. So ये total 660 हो गया. I hope the simple calculations are clear. Okay. Now from here it is equal to 8n if you equate 1 and 2. Okay. Okay. So what is the answer? 4n is 660. What should be the value of n? 150 and another 15, 165 it should be. It should be the 165. Yes, here I have option number C. Hope it is clear to you. 165. 165. Next question here. Okay, here it is. In a race of 200 meter, basic question, it's on speed, time, distance, but you will see more than speed, time and distance. It is a very basic concept that can be used here. In a race of 200 meter, A beats B by 20 and A beats S by 20 and N by 40. Okay, in a 200 meter race. So A beats S and also N. Okay, so A is the winner with S also, with N also in a 200 meter race. Okay, the situation is something like, if A starts here, okay, if A starts here, A is the winner, so A will reach the 200 meter mark and A beats B by S. A beats S by 20. What is the meaning of this? A beats S by 20. Means by a margin of 20 meter. Okay, A beats, matlab A is the winner. When A reaches the finish line, when A reaches the finish line, S is 20 meters short. S is 20 meter short. Okay, so at the same instant, when A completes, B will be at 180 meter. Sorry, S bol raha hu, not B. And N, A beats N by 40. So N will be at 160 meter in line. Okay. So this is what? Understand. ये होना चाहिए. This should be 20 and this gap should be the 40. ठीक है. Now, you know A versus S? No, you know A versus N. Now suppose S and N are fighting. Okay. If S and N are running in a race of 100 meter, okay, who will win? Of course, S should win. Because S is covering more distance in the same time. The speed of S is more. So, this is with exactly the same speed as the above situation. How many meters will S beat N? Very clear, it is S beating N, but now in a 100 meter race. With respect to 100 meter race. Okay, with respect to 100 meter race. So, simple method, guys. What is a simple method here? Okay, S and N. If S covers 180 meter, N covers 160 meter, I can say like that. Okay. So if S covers 100 meter, what is the distance covered by N? Unitary method. Okay, for every 1 meter of S, N covers 160 by 180. So for 100 meters covered by S, this is 160 by 180 into 100. How much is this one? Yes, this is going to be 88.89 meters. So dear, the situation is like S, okay, suppose this is the start and suppose S starts. S is the winner, S will reach 100 meter, but when S completes 100 meter, N is able to complete only 88.89 meters, falling short of 11.11. In दोनों का difference आ गया 11.11, and that is the answer. Okay, 11.11 answer is A. ठीक है. So more than speed, time, distance, it is just like a logical basic arithmetic question. Okay, by unitary method you are able to solve it. Next question. Direction. Okay, direction and simple calculation. Point G is 10 meter west of the point. देखो यहाँ पे it is important. Just keep making first of all. Point G, we are all aware about this. This is east and then west. Top में north vertically and south bottom. Point G is 10 meter west of the point A. Okay, and point C, start करते. G is 10 meter west of the point A. I'll start with the point A, and G is where? 10 meter west. Okay, where is G? (10 meter west). Sorry, 10 meter west बोला, not east. Okay, G 10 meter west. Now C is 8 meter north of G. Okay, 8 meter north of G. North is top. Okay, who? C. Okay, this is C, 8 meter north of the point G. Then point E is 9 meter east of C. Okay, 9 meter east of C. Okay, 9. Slightly less than 10 lena, and this point is E. Okay, now what? Point T is 16 meter south of E. Point T is 16 meter south of this E. Okay, तो इससे down चलना है. How much? 16 meter. This one was 9. Okay, this one was 8. Okay, so now point T is 16 meters south. Okay, so if this was 8, this is also 8 and 8. Total 16 is now split into 8 and 8. Okay, and this was the A point, again writing. Okay, now next is point E is 7 meter west of K. E is already done, but that should be 7 meter west in this direction. So this should be 7 meter west of K. So where is K? Vice versa, K will be towards the east. How much? 7. Okay. Say this is K and this is 7. What is the shortest distance between K and A? Okay. What is the shortest distance between K and A? This is what is required. And what should be the answer? Shortest distance between K and A. If you separate out this triangle here, this is X. Okay, this is the vertical distance 7. No, it's not going to be 7. 7 is this total one. So how much is this vertical distance? ये देखना पड़ेगा. Let us say this is some point, let's say P. P point is not given here, na? So let us use it as P. Suppose this is P, and what is this point? This should be 7. And how much is this distance? देखो, this is 10. ऊपर वाला ये 9 है, so this is 1 unit. Okay, so 7 minus 1. So this is EK is 7. Okay, so KP will be 6. Okay, and then this is vertical distance. That is very clear. ये 8 हो जाएगा. Okay, this is 8. So what is the value of X? Under root of 6 square plus 8 square. Rest is just Pythagoras theorem, and it is going to be 10 meters. Correct answer is option number B. That is the 10 meters. Option number B, 10 meters. Option number B, 10 meters. Right answer. Next question. Okay. Okay, so before I have the next question, guys, like today, 10th of December. Okay, started from 9 a.m. Okay, the BYJU'S National Scholarship Test. Yes, you can appear at any time till 9 p.m. throughout the day. You have time. But yes, if you appear in this National Scholarship Test, based on your performance, you can get as much as up to 90% scholarship on the GATE preparation programs. Right? Okay. And also, guys, this Wednesday, that is 13th of December, okay, at 7:30 p.m. Okay, how to prepare for GATE 25 with college and job. Yes, many college-going students only crack GATE actually. Okay, many of the toppers are college-going students. How they manage job, how you should target with the college or job, what are the time management funda. Join on the BYJU'S exam prep app. Okay, this Wednesday 7:30 p.m. Okay, and also multiple courses are available. Take the benefit of the scholarship test and you can enroll either the GATE 24 crash course or the GATE 2025 and 26 courses are also live in both English and Hindi formats. Okay, all these batches will give you live classes with the facility of recorded lectures, also study material, mock tests, practice quizzes, everything to get you exam ready. Okay, all this available on BYJU'S exam prep app. Download the app. There is a link in the description of the video. You can directly click the link and download the app. And here it is the next question for you. A simple coding. If S means into, if D means plus and N means divide, T means minus. So what is the value of? Let me write down this expression. Okay, all these, just test your concentration power. Very, very easy, but you have to be very clear in writing the expressions and not doing any hurry-burry error. D21, T5S, 2D8. Okay, now this is, now D is for, okay, यहाँ पे मैं एक बार simply लिख देता हूँ. What is D? It will be easy. D is plus. Okay, N is how much? यही लिख देते हैं ना. Let us write it here. D is plus What is the n? N is divide. Okay, d is again plus. Okay, now next is t, and t means minus. Next is s, s is into. Next is again d, and d means plus. And now just write down the numbers. Okay, so then this is 42, 7, 21, 5, 2, 8. Such questions can also be expected in these examinations. Okay, first division ko complete kar lenge. Division and into, okay, as per the preference. So 42 by 7, this is 6, then plus 21 minus 5 into 2, that is 10. Okay, and then plus 8. Okay, so this becomes how much total? Now this is just a calculative question. 21, 21, 42, 50 minus 10, 40. 40. So some questions can be very simple also for this level. Okay, correct answer is option number C, that is the 40. Let's be ready with the next question here. Okay, codes, again codes are given, but these are coded relations. That was coded arithmetic. This is coded relation. Okay, so like if A minus B means B is the daughter of A, etc. Some codes are given. Okay. Finally, what is given? If R is the grandson of Q, then what will come in place of the question mark? Okay, there is a code given to you. Okay, which is and one code is missing into it. Okay, normally they give you the code and they ask you what is the relation between this person and that. So they have now given the relation. It is slightly reversed. Okay, the best method for blood relation question is relations and blood relation questions, family tree. Okay, always make the family tree. Now first is P into Q. One by one start karenge. What is into? Okay, son. But reverse, B is the son of A. Remember, P into Q means Q should be the son of P. B is the son of A. So Q is the son of P. Okay, Q is the son of P. Okay, is the son of P. So P will come up here. Right? P, Q is the son of P. Okay, then Q divide by M. What is divide? B is the wife. Second one is the wife. Okay, so M is the wife of Q. M is the wife, female. Okay, now marriage is represented by equal to. Every male is represented by box, square. Every female is represented by circle. Marriage means equal to. Downwards arrow means parent to the child. Okay, and a single dash means siblings, brother, 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 sister, 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 like that. Now, next is M into N. Into means son, but second wala. Second is the son of first. N is the son of M. N is the son of M. Okay, M is here, so N should be the son. Son means male, so box. Okay. Now, this is question mark, I don't know. But I know S and R. S into R. R is the son of S. Into means son. Second wala. R is the son of S. Okay. R is the son of S and R should be the grandson of Q. Achha, where should I draw R then? Definitely R is the grandson of Q. Okay. This is grandson means 2 generations down. Okay. This is the next to next generation. Okay. So R is the grandson of Q and R is also the son of S. R is also the son. Achha, R son hai to male hoga. Son of S. S is here. Okay, now that is only possible if this much is given. This is only possible. R should be the grandson. Connection kaise hoga? Okay, dekho. Q and M are married and they have the son N. Okay. So grandson is what? Son of son, na? Child of your child. Okay, so Q's child is N. R should be the child of N, but R is the son of S. So that is only possible if N and S are married. If N and S are married, so what I will do is S should be a female because N is a male. And there should be equal to between them. Okay, so the missing code is equal to means what I am able to get is S is the wife. Wife wala use karenge of N, and wife means, okay, B is the wife, S is the wife, so N into S should be the code. Second wala, N, second is the wife, so N into S. Okay, so between N and S it should be into. It should be into, correct hai na? Nahi, wife wala divide, sorry. Into the son tha. Correct. We have identified correctly. This is only wife means this divide wala. N divide by the S. Now correct? N or S ke beech mein divide. Ha, now looks correct. So option number C I will mark. ठीक है जी. Option number C is there for me. Next question, dear. Okay. Arrangement, very pretty much expected. The arrangements which are always pretty much expected. Okay. So what is there in this arrangement? 6 friends, Amit, Bhumit, Charan, Dhruv, Isha, Forum. Let's call it as A, B, C, D, E, F for simplicity. Sitting on a circular table. Okay. Okay. For dinner facing the center of the table. All facing inside. Okay. Of course, dinner tabhi kar payenge na. They are all facing inside the table. Bhumit. Okay, so now let's start, okay, with some arguments given to you. Let me first take up this circular table and let me draw the 6 vacant positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bhumit was sitting adjacent to either Isha or Forum, but not both. forum was sitting, देखो circular arrangement, no beginning, no ending. You can define your own beginning. Okay, so क्या बोला है? Forum was sitting second to the left of Amit. Let me start with forum then. Forum is sitting second to the left of Amit. Second to the left of Amit. So this should be Amit. Left and left. Second left should be forum. Yeah, vice versa. Amit should be second right. So there is the Amit. Okay, so I've got something beginning. Okay, left of Amit. Amit, who is sitting opposite to Bhumi. So Bhumi will come here. And now the first statement is with Bhumit also. Bhumit is sitting adjacent to either Isha or forum. Okay, किसी ना किसी के बगल में है. Adjacent means बगल में, neighbor, but not both. Bhumi is not adjacent to both. Already Bhumi is adjacent to forum as per this picture. Okay, so it cannot be adjacent to Isha. So Isha cannot come up here. Okay, so these two places Isha can come. Okay, now what is the next statement? Isha and forum are not sitting next to each other. Here comes the next statement. Isha and forum are not next to each other. So Isha cannot come here. Okay, so only possibility for Isha is here. Okay, chalo. Now, Isha and forum not sitting next. That's it. Who is sitting second to the left of Charan? Second left of Charan. Where is Charan? Where is Charan? The statement stops here. So where is Charan, dear? Okay, A, B is there. Okay, C or D? C or D? Nothing else is given. The both possibilities will be there. Maybe C here, to D here, or vice versa. If D here, to if C here, to D will be here. Okay, there are two possibilities. Okay, so who is it second to the left of Charan? If Charan is here, second to the left will be Bhumit. Okay, if Charan is here, okay, second to the left will be F. That is forum. Okay, that is what clarity. Second to the left पूछा है ना? So exactly cannot be determined. Actually, okay, it is either B or if C is here, second to the left will be A. It may be Amit also, Bhumit also. We can't exactly determine. The complete data is not given. So option number D is there. ठीक है? Done है जी? Okay, done है. Next question. Yes, again on arrangement and a logical conclusion. Okay. Okay, all this is deductive reasoning. Is this, in fact, this arrangement also comes under the deductive reasoning. ISRO has mentioned, na? Okay, that deductive reasoning. ये भी आ गया. Okay, but this is on inequalities. Logical conclusion from inequalities, again deductive. Z is great. There are some statements given, and you need to decide which of the conclusion follows. Z is greater than E. E less than equal to B. B greater than equal to R. तो देखो, Z is greater than E. Okay. Let me arrange it like this. Big to small. Okay, Z is greater than E. Okay, Z is greater than E. So Z will come ahead of E towards bigger side. E is less than B. Okay, acha, E is less than B. So where will be B? Okay, E is less than B. So B is great. Vice versa, B is greater. Okay, so B will come somewhere here. मतलब maybe ahead of Z या उस हमें ये नहीं पता. Sorry. What I only know is B greater than E. Okay, but whether B greater than Z, that is not conclusive. So B will be, yes, towards bigger side. Okay, also B greater than R. Okay, so R will be somewhere later. Okay, अब E के साथ भी हो सकता है, E के बाद भी हो सकता है. R is not equal to A. Okay, so A will not be equal to R, but A can be anywhere. We can't conclude. E is also greater than S. Okay, so S will be later. थोड़ा टूटा टूटा ही बनेगा, but you know we cannot complete that relation. But yeah, which of the conclusion at least follows? Whether B greater than A. Only thing I know is R not equal to A. Okay, so A cannot be at this level. Okay, but A can be here, can be here. Whether B greater than A, we can't conclude. No data to conclude that. Whether S less than Z, ये clear है. Okay, ये तो definitely clear है. Definitely S is less than Z. Okay, this is the bigger side. Okay, so this definitely follows, and for this we can't say. Can't say means it is not a conclusion. Okay, so correct answer is B. Whenever you have a maybe situation, A का पता ही नहीं है ना, B may be greater than A, less than A, I don't know. So that is not a conclusion. That is maybe. Okay, but what is sure conclusion is? Okay, as per the given information, ये यहाँ से भी दिख रहा है Z greater than E, E greater than S, so Z is greater than S. Okay, the S is less than Z. That is definitely true. Okay. Only for A we have drawn this, but in this we can't say what is A. So only option number B. Okay. Expected होता है logical deduction from arrangement of inequalities also. Either arrangement of persons in the circular form or in the row form. Anything can be there. Okay, so yeah, let's be ready for the next question. Okay, numerical reasoning, data interpretation. Numerical reasoning भी जैसे बोलते हैं. Study the following graphs to answer the questions. The graphs given below give the GDP and the percentage of GDP in the education for the given years. Okay, ठीक है. So GDP values in 1000 crore. I mean, in 1000 crore means, I mean, if this value in 2015 looks 40, so that is 40,000. Okay, that is clear. And then what is the next graph? It is the percentage of GDP spent for education. Okay, like 40,000 crore is the GDP. Out of that, 2% is spent for the education. Okay, now data is given from 2015 to 2020. Okay, chalo. Now, what is the question? Question is on the next slide. For all the years together, what percentage of the country's total GDP has gone into education? What percent for all the years together? Okay, so आपको ये निकालना पड़ेगा ना, how much GDP into education divided by the total GDP multiplied by 100. अच्छा जी, how much is the total GDP? Total GDP लिख लेते हैं, denominator. Okay, so just look into this. 40, 50, 60, 60. Let's keep writing. 40, 50, 60, 60, and then 40, 50, 60, 60, and then this is between 35, and then this is between 40, 50, 45. Okay, so 35, 45. In what? In 1000. If you want, multiply by 1000. This is the total GDP. Okay, for all the years. Now, what percent of this GDP has gone into education? So, how much is the educational? How much is the spent on education across all these years? Across all these years. For the first year, it is 2%. Okay, for the next year also, it is 2%. 2% of what? 2% of the GDP of that year. Okay, of the GDP of that year. So 2% कितना होता है? 0.02. 0.02. Yeah, let me make it even more simple. 2 by 100 of 40. Next is again 2 by 100 of the GDP of that year, which is 50. GDP value लिखा हुआ है. So next percentage 3 and then 3.5. Sequence में चलते जाएंगे. So 3 by 100 of 60. Next is 3.5. Okay, of next is also 60, fourth wala. Now next percentage, okay, 6% and then again 6%. So next 6% of 35, 6% of 45. 6 by 100 of 35, 6 by 100 of 45. Okay, and then whole multiplied by 100 for the percentage. So when you're going to whole multiply by 100, that is why this 100, as I told you, take out the 100 from the numerator, that is cancelled with this. So our only answer that you have to calculate is 2 into 40, 80, 2 into 50, 100. Okay, then 3 into 60, 3.5 into 60, 210. Okay, 6 into 35 is again 210, 6 into 45 will be 270, whole divided by this value 90, 210 and this 80, 290. ये 290 हो रहा है क्या? Once again 90, 210, so the 91, 210 and 210 and this looks like 80. Yeah, 290. Okay, so now let's divide and write down the answer. Okay, let's add it up. Okay. Yeah, coming up to be 3.62. Coming up to be 3.62. Okay, yeah, option number B, perfect. Here again, most of the DI questions are just to test your concentration and patience. Okay, whether you understand the language, rest it is basic calculation and you don't commit any calculation error there. Concentration will be important there, accuracy will be important there. Okay? Because these are simple calculations and that simple calculations are always tempting. Yeah, jaldi kar dete, simple hai. So that concentration and patience you have to have. Okay, rest DI questions are simple. Okay, because it was just reading up and putting it in the value. Next question, again on DI, okay, that is numerical reasoning again based on pie chart, very important category. There are two pie charts, so refer to the pie charts. First pie chart, distribution of total number of members, okay, both male and female in 5 health clubs, okay, in the year 2011, and total people is 6,300, out of which health club A 21%, health B 33%. Okay, now distribution of total number of male members in these 5 health clubs. Okay, and total male members are 3,600. Okay, this is the data given. Now what to do with the data? Question decide karega. So what is there in the question? If only 25% of the members, both male and female in health club D have lifetime membership. Okay, what is the meaning of this statement? 25% of the members in the health club D have lifetime membership. So how much is this 25? 25 means 0.25. Okay. 0.25 of what? Okay. In health club D. In health club D. So how many members are there in the health club D? 20% of 6,300. 20%. That is 0.2 of 6,300. So what is this value? What is this much of the value? ये देख लेते हैं. 315. Okay, that means I can say total 315 members. Okay, total 315 members in Health D have the lifetime membership. The number of females in Health Club D who have lifetime membership is 126. Okay, now that leads to conclusion. Males in D, how many are the males in D with this lifetime membership? With this lifetime LT membership. Okay, इसको in short LT बोल देते हैं. Okay, so how many will be the males in D? Total number of people in D having the lifetime membership 315 out of 6 females. That absolute value is given. Okay, so how much will this value be? 189. Okay, 189. Okay. Now, what percent of the male members in Health D have lifetime membership? Be very specific to the question. What percent of male members in Health Club D have LT membership? How many male members have LT membership is known 189. But what percent of male members? So how many total male members in D? Dear, how do you know total male members in the Health Club D? For that, the male chart is separately given. There are total 3600 males divided into 5 health clubs D. Okay, D, ye 20%. So from both the pie chart, I only need the D information. So male in D is 20% of 3600. 20% of 3600. Okay, 20% of 3600, that is 0.2 into 3600. Okay, so this will be 360 into 2, 720. Okay, so what is the required answer then? How many members have this lifetime membership? 189. Okay, how many of these are out of 720? Just calculate and write down the answer. This is 26.25%. Question finish. 26.25%. Question finish. Okay, that is which answer? 26 1 by 4, option number D. 26 1 by 4, option number D. Done hai ji? It is a 26 1 by 4. Okay ji, so let's be ready with the next question then. If a mirror is placed on the northern side, okay, mirror images, okay, so diagrammatic and abstract reasoning के कुछ questions पे आ जाते हैं. Spatial aptitude, you can call it as non-verbal reasoning. If the mirror is placed on the northern side, okay, north, ऊपर वाला, this is the mirror shown here. Okay, north means that vertically top. Okay, then which of the answer figures? So you have to create the image, okay, with respect to this horizontal mirror. The mirror appears horizontal. It's like water image concept. Okay, so what will happen? When you take the mirror, so upside down will happen. If the mirror is vertical, left to right occurs. Mirror is horizontal, okay, upside down will occur. Okay, so how to just, you can match that option. Huh? Okay, you can match that option, or if you want, you can draw it up. First of all, this triangular cavity, okay, will go up. Okay, will go up. Okay, so that is either B or C. Now look into it. Only upside down. So when you want to take this picture as upside down, okay, if B is looking like right, it will keep looking like right only. Only upside down will occur. Okay, only upside down will occur. Okay, here B is also inverted left to right. Dekho, either B or C first of all because of this triangle. Then in the C, this figure, this is looking like letter B. Okay, this is gone left to right. But there is no mirror on the vertical, na? Only upside down hona hai. So then this is wrong. Okay, so we have to just go with this. Okay, either this or this, and out of this, this is wrong. Okay, the correct answer is option number B. Correct answer is the option number B. Okay, now because it is upside down, this triangle will come above this letter G. Okay, so isliye ye bhi wrong hai. Only option is B, guys. Very simple. It's an observation question. The correct answer is option number B here. Okay, hope it is clear to you. Next question ready for you. Select the related figure from the given alternative. If this is to this, as this is to this. Whatever is the relation between these two should be similar to these two. Dekho. Just mute and keep solving. By the time I'll tell you the logic also. Look into it. What is the first observation here? Okay, look into this circle or oval shape, I can say. Okay, this is the oval shape. From the first to second, again I have an oval shape. But first of all, the oval shape is tilted. It is rotated and then it goes to the side. Then it goes to the side. ये जो center वाला figure है, ठीक है? Now there is a small diamond at the bottom. Maybe in the picture it is looking little small. मैं इसको zoom कर देता हूँ. So what happens? That diamond expands and it incorporates this triangle. Okay, so same idea I will apply here. This is the square. Okay, square को rotate भी करेंगे तो it would be appearing as square, but it will be shrinked. Okay, but yeah, but there should be a square to the right side. Okay, square to the right side, center mein. Okay, that looks like in the option number 1. Okay, then what I told you, this bottom figure circle, this will enlarge, this should enlarge, and it should incorporate this figure. Okay, that is this rhombus type shape. Perfectly option number A. Perfectly option number A. Perfectly the option number A. That means figure 1 is the correct answer. Figure 1 is the correct answer. Next question. Choose which one of the option best fits the missing symbol. Best fits the missing symbol. Okay. So there are, देखो, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pictures are in sequence. Out of them, 6th is missing one, and you have to choose the correct option. Okay. First of all, first logic is maybe you can count the number of blocks. Okay. But simple logic is, इसको थोड़ा और simple करने के लिए what can be done? Maybe you can count the number of blocks. Here 3, then 6, then 9, then 12. एक pattern बन रहा है यहाँ पे total number of blocks का. But if I only count the total number of cross, if I just look into the total number of cross, it is 1, then it is 2, then it is 3. Okay. If this works out, then okay na. If it doesn't work out, तो देखेंगे क्या करना है. Then it is 3. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, it is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. It is in a sequence. So next, what is there? I don't know. That is the missing number na. Okay, next में क्या pattern हो रहा है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, next is 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Clear pattern. And last में 9 है क्या? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. So what should be this missing number? It should be definitely 6 cross. And 6 cross is, देखो, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Option number A. Any other matching? Here it is 4. Here it is 4 plus 1, 5. ये हो गया 3, 3, 7. Only option number A matches. Only by the cross we are able to match the answer. Only by the cross you are able to match the answer. Or else, if you are counting the total number, na, maybe if you are counting the total blocks, will it help? Or if you count the total blocks. Okay, that is 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 9. Then here 10 and 2, 12. Perfect. Then 15. So next is missing. Okay, then next 4, 4, 4, 4, 1, 21. Okay, next is 4, 4, 4, 4, 5 4s are 20. Then here 4, 24. And next is again 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 and 2, 27. Multiples of 3. So what should be this question number? It should be 18. Okay, the picture with 18 blocks. But yeah, this is not going to help you. This is not going to help you because there are multiple pictures with 18 blocks. Okay, so then you will have to look into the pattern of cross rather than looking into the pattern of cross. Okay, we are able to conclude that. It is only the number of cross that can help you solve. Okay, done. Okay, next question again from abstract reasoning. Here it is. So there are some symbols given to you. Okay, like this is a symbol which says rotate the figures or rotate all the figures 90 degree clockwise. There is this diagonal lines, replace first position with circle, whatever is the first replace with circle, and etc. There are some codes given. Okay. Now, which figure replaces the question mark? So there is an unknown picture here. There is an unknown picture. It has been performed 3 operations and the resultant picture is given. Okay, you have to find the original figure. Now, this is performed. What is this symbol? Swap the shade first and third. Let's actually go reverse. Chalo, reverse chalte. First, second, third. Let's go to 3 towards. So start with this. What is this symbol? 90 degree clockwise. So by 90 degree clockwise rotation, this has come. So 90 degree anti-clockwise. But circle mein, it is a full circle. Na? Even if you rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise, it's not going to be affected. So this remains same, this remains same. But this is 90 degree anti-clockwise. So this should come like this. Okay. It should be like this. ठीक है, it should be like this. Clear? ये operation done हो गया. Now next, diagonal line. Reverse चलेंगे. Replace first with the circle. Okay, replace first with the circle. अच्छा, so first is already a circle. Okay. अच्छा, if it was hollow, it is hollow. If it is empty, it should be, that is why empty is coming. So first, whatever figure, I don't know, it has been replaced with circle. So what was the original picture? Guys, I don't know. It has been replaced with circle. Okay, तो पहले क्या था? Whatever it was, I can't guess, but it is circle, but that should be hollow. Okay, what I can only say is it should be hollow. Now, ये भी समझ लिए. Now, what is this? Reverse में जाएंगे तो swap the shade first and third position. अच्छा, first is hollow. That is very clear, and you are swapping the shade. So third one should be hollow. Okay, third one should become hollow. Okay, this should become hollow. Okay, ये रहा. Look into that. Either these two Okay, center में circle है, so it is going to be this, and because the third one was solid figure, this one should become solid. Whatever is the figure, I don't know, but it is solid. My answer is option number C. Okay, my answer is option number C. Okay, clear? My answer is option number C. This is also done. Reverse में किया है हमने, and this is also done. ठीक है? So I can tell you, अगर reverse में जा रहे हैं हम, okay, so after the first, okay, the circle remains to be circle. Next will be a solid circle, and next, let me fill this solid circle for you. Oh, इसको पहले पूरा close करना पड़ेगा. Yeah, let me fill it now. Here it is. ठीक है? Now after the second, okay, second operation के बाद क्या था? Replace first position with circle. Okay, so I don't know what is the first position. It has been replaced by circle. Okay, but these two are unaffected. Okay, and this was solid, na? Okay, this was the solid. Okay, just guys, 1 second. Just a second here. चलो हाँ. Okay, ये solid था ना? हाँ, so let me fill this also. Okay, and after the third reverse operation, dear. Okay, what is the third? Okay, swap the shade first and third position. Okay, so this one was hollow. Let me write, this one was hollow. So if this is hollow, okay, now it will become solid. Whatever it is, I don't know, but that should be solid. Okay, and the first was hollow. Last should become hollow now. Last should become hollow, and second remains as it is. Done. Okay, so that is why correct answer is option number C. Okay, the first is triangle, but that could be anything. Okay, that could be anything. Okay, guys. Chalo, guys, that's it. I'll stop today. I'll share you the PDF in the Telegram. You can be connected in my Telegram. Okay, so the time is now very close for your exams of ISRO, BEL, HPCL, NIELIT. Okay, all the exam coming very soon. All the very best. Okay, so at the end, I thought of just giving you one session of general aptitude to practice all the sections, deductive reasoning, numerical reasoning like DI, quant also we have done, and then we have taken this diagrammatic pictures, non-verbal reasoning, etc. Hope you like this session, and if you have really liked it and got good questions, do not forget to hit the like button, press your attendance. See you in another session. Bye bye. All the very best for all the upcoming examination. Thank you. Stay safe and take care of yourself.